So this is exactly how to fix your GameSir Cyclone 2 controller stick drift. So the first thing you need to make sure is that it's connected somewhere, so either your computer, your laptop or your mobile. Now when it's connected, then what we need to do is to click on this button and this button at the same time. So I'm going to do so right now. And we're gonna wait for it to shake like that, as you can see, as it did right now. So when it has actually shaked, now what we need to do is very simple. So we're going to find, firstly you need to click on the A button, by the way, and then you're going to find this two here, and then just press them all the way down. When you press them all the way down, what you're gonna do on this joysticks here, as you can see, you're just gonna turn them around all the way, 360 on both of them, just 2 times. You can do it 3 times if you want to as well. Now when you're done, just release and click on A here. And that will now calibrate your sticks and triggers here, and it should also fix your stick drift. So do this and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.